Hey everybody, I recently read E.o. Wilson's book about creativity and was not that impressed. However, I was very impressed by this quote from him. Hands-on experience at the critical time, not systematic knowledge, is what counts in the making of a naturalist. Better to be an untutored savage for a while, not to know the anatomical details or the Latin names. Better to spend stretches of time just searching and dreaming. For those of you who don't know, E.o. Wilson is the amazing ecologist, biologist, myrmecologist, and one of my favorite naturalists of all time. Love this quote. Take it to heart.